Today, this video will explain some other uses of the non-payment form. While the non-payment form can be used for reimbursements and expenses, schools also have been able to use this function to allow parents to submit baby pictures of their kids to add to the yearbook. You may ask, why wouldn't we use the Docs and Photos in the sub-tab within the homepage of PT Board? Well, that's a great question. In this case, you don't want to have everyone access your child's yearbook photo because it's specifically meant for the yearbook photo to be seen. So this way, by creating a non-payment form, a parent is able to upload a photo so that only the admin can access this photo and import it to the yearbook, so that not any other parent can see the photo until the yearbook is released. Let's dive into an example to show how non-payment forms can be used in other ways. So now we are on the admin side, and first we're going to make a form in Forms and Payments. So click on Manage Form, create a new form, and we're going to select form type as non-payment form. I'm going to put a title in here. I'm going to enter Yearbook Baby Picture. And then a quick description. Please fill out this form and attach a picture of your child for the yearbook. Thanks. And after I fill up this description, I am going to scroll down and click Save and Continue. And then for the item name, I'm going to name this Baby Photo for Yearbook. And now you're going to scroll down and click Allow Upload Docs. You're going to select that Yes button, and then you're going to submit. So now this item has been added to the form, and we are going to change this form from close to publish. So we're going to publish it. It was in draft mode before, and so now we're going to go to the parent's point of view. Now we're going to go to Forms and Payments, and as you can see, the form has been published. So now this parent can submit their child's baby picture and upload it. And that way, only the admin or whoever has access to this form can access that photo and no one else. So now we're back in the admin side, and we are going to manage this form, and we're going to get reports for this form. And we are going to click on the submission, and if you scroll down, you'll see the picture that the parent uploaded of their child, and that is all. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to email us at info@ptboard.com with any other questions you may have. Thank you.